The blade guard is an adjustable guard that helps prevent accidental contact with the moving blade. This particular blade guard is yellow with clear sides and can be hooked up to a dust collection system. The table insert is a removable part of the table. There are different kinds of table inserts used for different purposes and blade types. This is the generic table insert used for normal cutting and tilting of the blade. This is a zero clearance table insert used to cut narrow stock so the wood doesn't fall through the table. This insert cannot be used with the tilt function of the table saw. A dado insert is another type of insert used with wide blades for making wide cuts. The table is a large, flat metal surface that supports the stock. The table is smooth so the wood can slide freely. The miter gauge serves as the fence for cross-cutting. The miter gauge can be adjusted to a variety of angles. The tilt handle is used to change the angle of the blade. It is important to remember, always tilt the blade away from the fence, like seen here. Doing this will help reduce the risk of a kickback. Miter slots are grooves cut into the table that are parallel with the blade. Miter slots are used to guide the miter gauge. The rip fence serves as the guide for ripping wood. The fence clamp is a lever that is used to secure the fence in place. The fence carriage is the device that connects the fence to the rail. The power switch is used to turn the table saw on and off. This table saw is also equipped with an additional large stop. The raising and lowering handwheel is used to raise and lower the saw blade to accommodate for different board thicknesses. The front rail is a guide for the ripping fence. This rail keeps the fence parallel with the blade. Some front rails are equipped with a measuring scale, like this one here. There are two lock knobs on the table saw. One locks the blade angle, and this one locks the blade height. The tilt scale is a measurement device that indicates the current angle of the saw blade. Right now, the saw blade is set at 9 degrees. The cleanout door provides access to the underside of the table saw for the removal of sawdust. The main power is where the table saw gets its power from. This power should be disconnected before changing the blade or performing any operations where you might accidentally turn on the power.